My wife and I had a problem with our Sundvik crib. Whenever it was time to lay down our baby, the mattress was so low that our backs would get really tired. So just like many cribs on the market that offer this as an option, I decided to upgrade our IKEA Sundvik crib and raise the bed to a more comfortable height. High enough to protect our backs, but still safe for our baby. I started by removing all the screws that hold the bed frame in place. This crib was donated to us, so I don't have the original assembly tutorial. That's probably why some of the screws were installed upside down. The frame itself is very light, so this DIY can easily be done alone. Next, remove these screw hooks. We'll use them to figure out the drill size for the new holes. We'll need a size 5 hood drill bit. Now let's take some measurements. First, measure the combined height of the frame and mattress. In my case, that was 15 centimeters, but this can vary depending on your mattress. Next, measure 15 centimeters down from the crib frame and then add the mattress plus frame height below that. In my case, 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters equals 13 centimeters total. The goal is to end up with about 22 centimeters from the top of the crib down to the mattress where the baby sleeps. To make sure the holes are perfect, I marked the drill bit with electrical tape at a 2 centimeters depth. Now for the tricky part, drilling the holes at the correct angle. The easiest way I found was to place the screw hooks in the original hole and use it as a guide. With a little patience, a steady hand, I managed to get it right. Once all 4 holes are drilled, clean up the mess. I used this awesome vacuum that was the best value for the price. Link in the description below. Now let's put the screw hooks in place, install the frame and screw everything back together. This time I positioned the frame on top of the hooks, unlike how it was originally assembled. I'm using a size 10 wrench. You can tighten everything manually or with an electrical drill. Before finishing, make sure to test the strength. It's very important. Mine feels solid with the force I applied. Now it's time to place the mattress and let my baby try out the new crib height. Let's see how it works.